QC Fence Contractors specialize in automatic gate repair in Huntersville, North Carolina, offering fast and reliable service to restore security and accessibility to your property. Our experienced team works quickly to restore your gate's performance and ensure lasting reliability. We use high-quality replacement parts and proven repair methods so your automatic gate operates safely and efficiently for years to come. Whether your gate won't open, the motor is unresponsive, or the sensors are misaligned, our technicians diagnose and repair all types of gate issues efficiently. Contact us today for a free estimate. Are you looking for an automatic gate repair expert near me? You can stop looking. You found QC Fence Contractors. What types of automatic gates do you repair? We repair all types of automatic gates including sliding, swing, and lift gates for both residential and commercial properties, handling all major brands and models with expert precision and reliable service. What are common issues with automatic gates? Common problems include faulty motors, damaged sensors, electrical wiring issues, misaligned tracks, and remote control failures. Regular maintenance helps prevent these issues and ensures smooth, safe operation. What is your service area for the Huntersville, North Carolina office? Our automatic gate repair services has served clients in the surrounding areas of Huntersville, Hopewell, Caldwell, Mountain Island, Lowesville, Lucia, Davidson, Harrisburg, Cornelius, Davis Lake, Eastfield, Wedgwood, Birkdale Village, Torrance, Hunters Point, and Highland Creek, North Carolina. Where is your Huntersville, North Carolina automatic gate repair office located? We are located at 9541 Julian Clark Avenue, number 101A, Huntersville, North Carolina 28078. Our phone number is 704-387-6476. Visit our website, qcfencecontractors.com/Huntersville-North-Carolina-Fence-Installation-Repair-Contractor.